Hi, I'm Therese from the Frog Project, and I am very excited to invite you to a workshop on metta meditation, loving kindness meditation. The workshop will take place on the 22nd of August at 10 a.m. UK time. It's going to be a 2-hour workshop, and these 2 hours will be filled with practice. Obviously, the practice of metta meditation, also a little yoga practice, a very calming and gentle yoga practice. And additionally, you'll get some background information on metta, what it means, what are the texts, where it comes from, and so on. But that part will be quite short, but just to give you some insight on that. So what is metta? Metta is loving kindness, and the practice is very much about radiating love. And to do that, we will start with ourselves. We will start with practicing self-love, sending some metta towards ourselves, and then radiating it out, so like expanding it. And the idea is that we want to expand it to all sapient beings, all living beings. Yeah, if that got you excited and interested, I would be happy to share some of that with you. And to me personally, the metta meditation has a very important part in my, a very important position in my practice. As after having a very traumatic experience, metta meditation was really what got me out again, out of the darkness and out of the difficult times, because practicing love is something that is tremendously powerful and helpful, and I think will have a great impact on the world as well, on the world that we create. And if we create it with love, it will be a loving world, right? So yeah, so this practice is very close to my heart, and I hope I can share some of that with you. So to give you a little taste on how my teaching is, I introduce a meditation pose to you now. So come sitting on a pillow or something like a folded blanket, anything like this cushion that I'm using. And then bring your feet out like that. Take your left foot towards you and just pull it gently towards your armpit. Then hold your foot and bring it outwards. And a few times just bring it up and down like this to prepare your hip for sitting in this way. And then gently place your foot in front of you, in front of the cushion, so that your knee is coming down, the back of your foot is on the floor. And then bring the other foot close, the other knee close. Grab your foot and do the same thing on this side. So a few times, just move the knee up and down, and then gently place your knee and your foot on the floor, foot in front of the other, and then feel your sitting bones. Feel the sitting bones rooting down into the cushion, and then lengthening your spine up. Placing the head on top, as if you were wearing a crown. A few times roll your shoulders back. And then with an exhalation, release the shoulders down. Place your hands on your thighs. And gently close your eyes. Ready for meditation. And if you are ready for meditation and you want to join the workshop that I just introduced, please click on the link below. You'll find further information and the registration link as well. See you on the 22nd.